PDYN Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Palladyne AI stock sitting at 10.73% off for today. So where the heck are we heading next? To be perfectly honest with you, I'll just kind of zoom out and just show you the 1,000-foot view that I say, or like macro view. My previous bias on it was quite long, so here I had a long bias. Then I was looking to long this potentially if the price gave me some type of double break, but it went without me, so that's that. And then here is where we are right now. A lot of, like, there's been some time that I haven't made a video on this thing. In order for me to really double down on this bullish market, there supposedly needs to be a second break on 440. Not 440, it's like on below that. Now I want to see a full candle close above 440 because that's going to indicate a second break, and then we can really test out the waters. Because I'm fine with the calls for the effect, meaning I'm fine to take the risk. You know, just 1 hour, like it's nothing, and I'm really looking towards it. But hopefully I see my confirmation mat. And again, I'm just sticking to my edge driver fine over 32,000 videos. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.